In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass the eToro crypto test. This guide is designed to help you navigate through the essential concepts of cryptocurrency, ensuring you're well prepared for any questions you might encounter. Let's get started by exploring some foundational aspects of the world of crypto. First, we delve into the basics of blockchain technology. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network. Think of it as a digital spreadsheet that is duplicated across multiple computers, known for its transparency and security features. Understanding how transactions are recorded on the blockchain is crucial. They are grouped together into blocks and added to the chain sequentially, ensuring a clear and unalterable record. Two common consensus mechanisms you might come across are proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. While POW relies on miners solving complex equations to validate transactions, POS allows users to validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold, offering energy efficiency. Next, let's look at some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, is the pioneering cryptocurrency, known for its limited supply and use as digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, is celebrated for its smart contract functionality, allowing developers to build decentralized applications. Stablecoins like Tether, USDT, aim to provide stability by pegging their value to a fiat currency, often the US dollar. Understanding these concepts will also lead you to know what crypto wallets are. These digital storage solutions are crucial for keeping your crypto safe and come in two main types: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which store crypto offline and are more secure from threats. As you navigate through the crypto space, it's vital to be aware of the investment risks involved. Cryptocurrency prices can be extremely volatile, meaning they can increase or decrease dramatically in a short time. It's possible to lose your entire investment, so always proceed with caution. Let's touch on regulation. In many countries, crypto investments come with fewer regulatory protections than traditional financial products. For instance, investors in countries like the UK generally won't fall under compensation schemes for losses incurred in the crypto market. It's important to know this landscape as it impacts the security of your investments. Speaking of security, distinguishing between hot and cold wallets is key. While hot wallets provide convenience for frequent trading, cold wallets are offline and offer enhanced security, making them ideal for long-term holders wanting to protect their assets from theft. We also need to grasp some key market concepts, including liquidity, which refers to how quickly an asset can be bought or sold without affecting its price. Diversification involves spreading investments across various assets to reduce risk. Familiarize yourself with the concept of market capitalization, which helps determine the size and market value of a cryptocurrency. ICOs, or initial coin offerings, are fundraising mechanisms for new crypto projects. Lastly, smart contracts are pivotal in automation, as they execute automatically when certain conditions are met. By understanding these core principles, you'll be well equipped to tackle the eToro crypto test with confidence. Best of luck, and remember to always continue learning and exploring this exciting digital frontier.